Samsung will create an innovative liquid optical zoom, but don't even think it will be for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but for Tecno. The Chinese brand has announced a collaboration with Samsung and Taiwanese firm Lagan to develop continuous zoom lenses for smartphones. The most impressive development is the freeform continuum telephoto module, a technology that offers true continuous optical zoom from 1x to 9x in a single periscope module. This is happening at a time when everyone aspires to be one. For several years, Zoom King Sony has been making attempts with its variable optical zoom on the Xperia, though it's limited to somewhat shorter ranges. Meanwhile, Huawei and Oppo have placed their bets on long-range fixed periscopes, which are supported by extensive artificial intelligence. Additionally, Huawei has already invested in a switchable periscope. Oppo and Vivo, on the other hand, have been experimenting with external lenses for much greater distances. However, the proposal from Samsung and Tecno ranges from 1x to 9x. This could be the ultimate leap forward that moves beyond the present hybrid systems because you wouldn't require multiple cameras. Instead, with just one camera and one sensor, you could cover a wide range with high quality. Although we don't yet have very specific details, it promises to be intriguing. Additionally, they showcase the dual mirror reflect telephoto, a system utilizing two mirrors to decrease the module's size by a significant 50%. And that lets you create unique bokeh effects, though it seems to lose a step, which the new lens implies that it might have a reduced dynamic range, and we'll need to observe how they attempt to address this issue. However, it serves as a tool that could potentially minimize the space occupied by the camera modules, which are currently quite sizable. Would you rather have a single lens with continuous zoom or multiple lenses with fixed zoom? Share your thoughts in the comments.